Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today my topic is beautiful ideas to make your garden and backyard cozy and original. Creating a cozy and original garden and backyard involves combining comfort, creativity, and personalized touches. Here are some beautiful ideas to help you achieve just that. Outdoor lounge area. Set up a comfortable sitting area with cozy outdoor sofas, cushions, and throws. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with soft lighting such as string lights or lanterns to make your evening magical. Fire pit gathering. Install a fire pit as the centerpiece of your backyard. It's not only a source of warmth but also a place where family and friends can gather around, roast mushrooms, and enjoy each other companies. Natural elements. Integrate neural elements like stone pathways, wooden benches, and papal arrangements. These materials bring a sense of authenticity and harmony to your outdoor space. Vertical gardens. Utilize vertical space by creating lightning walls with climbing plants or hanging planters. This not only adds greenery but also act as a stunning backdrops. Cozy nooks. Design intimate corners with comfy chair, small tables, and lush foliage. This hidden nook can serve as a quiet retreat for reading, reflection, or intimate conversation. Outdoor dining. Create an alfresco dining area with a rustic wooden table, comfortable chairs, and ambient lighting. Adding a pergola or canopy can enhance the experience by providing shade and shelters. Water feature. Incorporate soothing water feature like fountain or small ponds. This sound or trickling water can create a